It is given black snail that I'm going to be making. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'll be making 4 press on sets. For those that have been following me right from the time that I started this channel, I am a nail tech. Yeah, this vlog is going to be basically a nail vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys the behind the scenes, the process of how I make my press-on sets. This is a press-on set. This set has lasted for the past 2 weeks, I guess, and it has started having growths, like undergrowths. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but I love when my nails start having undergrowths. Just looks really cute. Yeah, so right now I'm going to be going out. I want to get base coat because my base coat is finished. I'm just going to be heading out now. And I remember the times that I used to have to like order my stuff, things as little as base coat, like my charms and stuff like that. Really easy. I just have to like walk, like just show over and get it. It's really nice. Hi, good morning. Down base coat. So I got the base coat that I'm going to be using. This is the last base coat that I have used. It was really nice. I haven't used the MAC base coats before, but this one was pretty good. So I'll just try if this one is a little bit better. This is what we are going to be using today. I don't know if you guys have used this biscuit before, but this has to be the first time that I'm using this biscuit, so I'd have to try it out and see if it works for me. And then I'll just bring out my red polish, my black, my blue, and matte top coat. I don't know if I'm going to be using this, but I'm just bringing out basically everything that I could possibly use. I'm making 4 sets today. So this is the first nail that I'm going to be making. I'm just making plain sets for now. Yeah, plain sets because plain sets pop more. So I'm going to be doing a burgundy and a blue set with the short square tips. That's what I'm going to be doing. And then for the overall nails, I'm going to have one pink, and then I'm going to have nude, something nude. Yeah, when I get there we'll cross that bridge. But first of all, we're going to do the blue first. Let's do the blue first. And then we have this to work with. I've already filed and buffed, so I just need to go straight into applying my base coat. blue is not going to take me time because I already have the shade of blue that I want right here, just in one bottle. But because I don't have burgundy, I just have red, and this is the color. It's like giving pepper red, and that's not what I want. I want burgundy. So I'm going to mix this with a little black and see if I'm going to get what I'm looking for. I don't know if this is what I expected, but I kind of like it, so I might just go with this because it looks like brown. Yeah. This is the second coat and it's looking pretty nice. I love it. So I'm just going to dry it now. They literally look so pretty. 3 more to go. Dry. 's like brown. First coat, I'm going to dry. I'm going to do the second coat now. Just dry the lamp. After the second coat, this is what it looks like. It's giving coffee brown and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and put my top coat right now. Done. We've done 2 sets already, so I'm going to be going into the overalls. I have placed them on the stand, so I'm going to do base coats and then we're going to figure out what to do to these babies because I don't know what to do to them. I have finally decided that I'm going to do black, and then I'm going to give it like the airbrush type of pink design on this. So this is going to be black and pink. I just hope that everything works out well. But right now I'm just going to go ahead and paint black. I have never tried black on my overall nails. This has to be the first time that I'm doing this. I'm just going to do the first coating. This is how the first coat looks for the black. So I'm going to go ahead and cure it now. I have one of these squishy things. So I'm going to use this side. So I'm going to use like a scissors and then cut a new like this. And yeah, so this is the side that I'm going to be using. So it's going to look something like this. And the whole thing to like give it that ombre effect. Nice, sorry. This is what we finally achieved while doing it. It's quite pretty. I love the way it came out. So I'm just going to dry it and then add the top coat to it. I love it so much. I think it's nice. I didn't know it was going to come out this pretty, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cure it now. Take a look at the mess that I created just because of that nail. I have to clean this up before I do the last nail. Ready for the next set. This might be my favorite set because this is going to have a pink base and blue, sky blue. I'm going to be using It's a Girl OPI. This is a nude base I use for all my nails. I love it. It has this like translucent finish. This is the last set I'm going to be working on. I'm going to do base coat now. Normally I'll mix my pink with my nude to get like a more consistent texture. I don't know, for the base, but today I'm not going to be doing that because I want it to be translucent. So because it's really sheer, the pink is really sheer, I'm going to be doing 3 coats. I'm going to be using these gems, the blue gems right here. This is the first base. I'm going to cure that. I'm going to do the second base and see how it comes out. And I think I'm going to leave it this way. I love it like this. They took their lights and just brought it back. I had to have my words and wait. I couldn't wait for anyone either. But the lights again, they have literally been messing with my head. I don't even have the strength to waste more time and put these stones. So I'm just going to leave it that way because I don't want them to take this light again. I'm literally tired. What we have